Hey everybody, welcome to Trading Capital Exclusive Analysis. In today's video, we're discussing natural gas. So natural gas has seen a nice bounce off of the lows since we have been recording these videos and we were accumulating natural gas at these lows here. We actually exited our position for a nice gain with members, full disclosure. But we are bullish over natural gas over the medium to long term. As of now, with the resistance level that we just officially tagged today, and we're actually opening a little bit higher in the futures right now, this resistance trend line is the level that we discussed in our previous videos where we expected natural gas to retrace to, and then, believe it or not, get rejected. So again, full disclosure, I did sell, but I am expecting now natural gas to either retest this double bottom zone here or actually even pierce it off of the futures chart, because there's an actual gap fill on the NYMEX futures natural gas chart where I think should be technically filled before this bullish momentum can get up or a continuation move to the high side. So I'm expecting a move down to 210 on the futures chart, which would actually imply basically another move down of 21%. And that seems a little bit extraordinary considering how oversold and how natural gas is over the weekly and monthly term timeframes. But that's just what the technicals are pointing to me and what I see on the actual charting sessions. So full disclosure again, exited all of our natural gas positions. I do hopefully want it to go lower now that I'm out so I can continue to accumulate it at a lower price. But needless to say, natural gas is at resistance. Now, let's say my analysis is wrong, which is always a certain or possible scenario. But basically, the nat gas bulls want to see a bullish hold above this pivot. If nat gas can hold this 262 area and consolidate, then it does stand a chance to form a little bit of a bullish flag pattern to break higher. If this consolidates more on lowering volume, a little bit of a bull flag pattern at the high of this green candle, that is also structurally a bullish signal, and we can always hop on the trend a little bit later. But as of now, technical resistance and upside has been met. Your daily RSI is a little bit extended in the tooth, and typically after that first initial bounce, you often get a lower high made on the RSI, but a lower low made on the actual price action. That is a bullish divergence that typically often creates a little bit of a bottoming formation in the overall charts. And what I would potentially see as a beautiful picture perfect setup is if natural gas came down, created a little bit of a V bottom, retest, another little V bottom. That would be your inverse head and shoulders. So this is the type of bottoming formation I am expecting in natural gas in a perfect world of technical analysis. Of course, take it with a grain of salt. I do not have a crystal ball. I do not know the future, but this is the type of pattern that I see structurally playing out to complete this basing formation. I think there's going to be one more capitulatory session in nat gas that forces a lot of these longs that bought all the way over here and who have been holding for all this time to actually get shaken out one more time. So I hope this analysis has helped, and definitely use caution when trading the Widowmaker. I implore you to use position management and never go all in with your portfolio off of this one single asset class, because this has a tendency to make or break people's portfolio. And I've actually been caught on both sides of the trade. I've been squeezed on the short side of nat gas. It's not fun. And I've also been squeezed on the long side of nat gas, which is not fun either. So definitely trade it cautiously, because this has a tendency to overshoot and undershoot technicals in both directions. Take care, everybody. Please visit tradingcapital.ca if you've enjoyed this analysis, and please subscribe and give this video a big like down below. Happy New Year, and hopefully we can make some money on the natural gas commodity in 2024. Cheers, everybody.